The Montanaro UK Income Fund is a long-only, actively managed equity fund that primarily invests in high-quality, growing UK small and mid-cap companies that pay a dividend. The fund invests roughly 50-50 between small and mid-cap companies, with small caps going from 100 million market cap up to 1.5 billion, and mid-caps from 1.5 to 10 billion. Finally, the fund does not invest in micro-caps below 100 million, nor does it invest in AIM, both for liquidity reasons, and that AIM exclusion is one of the key differentiators of the fund relative to most other UK small and mid-cap funds. At Montanaro, we employ a two-stage investment process. The first stage is all about answering the question, is this a high-quality and growing company? And only once we're satisfied that the answer to that is yes, do we then do all our valuation work and answer the question, is this a good investment at today's price? From the quality perspective, we're looking for market leaders in their niches, diversified customer bases and sticky customers, recurring revenue and good order visibility, and product differentiation. We like companies with high margins, good return on capital, strong cash generation to pay those dividends, and robust balance sheets, and actually a third of the companies have got net cash in this portfolio. Finally, we look for strong management teams with good experience, and we integrate ESG across our analysis of quality of a company. The fund's three main style factors are size, due to its focus on small and medium-sized companies, quality, and growth. This means that the fund is quite a different fund compared to its benchmark, the IA All Companies sector, as well as an index such as the FTSE All Share. This difference means that the fund can have periods where it strongly outperforms or sometimes underperforms the comparators. Finally, it's worth noting that over the long term, small caps have outperformed large caps by 3 percentage points per annum in the UK, going all the way back to 1955. And therefore, the fund is ideally suited to investors with a longer-term investment horizon who can look through the shorter-term volatility that may arise from being quite an idiosyncratic fund with a clear style, investment style, which is quite different to the benchmark. All of our funds at Montanaro, including the Montanaro UK Income Fund, have ethical exclusions. This means that we avoid investing in companies in certain sectors, such as tobacco, alcohol, high interest rate lending, weapons, and oil and gas production. Nevertheless, because of our focus on high quality, growing, and small and mid-cap companies, of which there are a lot in the UK market, we do not feel that these ethical restrictions actually limit our choice at all. So there's plenty of choice for the fund to pick from. On top of these ethical exclusions, we also incorporate environmental, social, and governance issues into our analysis of quality of a company. We have a detailed ESG checklist for every company in the portfolio, and we regularly engage with our management teams on these issues. The Montanaro UK Income Fund is quite a versatile fund and is used by clients across different types of portfolios. One clear use case is within an income portfolio as a diversifier against classic large cap income funds. In our view, there's limited value in owning more than one of these funds, as you end up more or less owning the same names. So in our view, it's better to blend a large cap income fund with a small and mid-cap income fund, such as the Montanaro UK Income Fund, where you get a much better diversification, both obviously of names, but also of sectors. A second use case for the fund could be that because we invest in companies that are delivering both income but also capital growth by focusing on UK small and mid-cap stocks, some clients use the Montanaro Income Fund as their UK small and mid-cap allocation within a total return portfolio. Finally, because of our ethical exclusions and our strong ESG credentials, many clients use the Montanaro UK Income Fund within their ethical portfolios for clients.